Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about an item that, to me, it's funny because it has multiple purposes. Alright, I want to talk to you about trick candles. And everybody goes, oh, I know about trick candles. You put candles on the birthday cake and you slip one or two trick candles in to keep coming back when the person blows it out. That's what I'm talking about, but I'm talking about other uses for it. Of course, it is kind of funny watching someone trying to blow out a candle till they start spitting all over the cake, and he's like, okay, I'm not having any of that cake. But these trick candles, are really neat, and the fact is, once you get it going, and you can use, it's not going to blow out easy, which means you get it lit, and the wind's blowing, you're trying to start a fire outside, it's going to keep relighting, so that you get it down into the little pile of tinder and stuff, and you get that trick candle in that's burning, and it'll get the fire going for you. So that's another use for it, is as a fire starter. All right? So, trick candles aren't that expensive. You can pick them up at novelty store stuff. They got big boxes of them on Amazon if you want to stockpile a bunch of them. All right? So think about adding some trick candles to your supplies just for the laughs, the giggles, and the emergency fire starting. All right? Well, before I take off, I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, right up here, and there are some cool emergency preparedness videos over there. And then I'm going to put the link to a video up here that should help you out in your emergency preparedness. Why? Well, this is why.